Hi!
Good morning, everybody.
What are we gonna do today?
Well, I'm glad you asked that. We're going to go to a place today that I'm kind of feeling a little bit anxious about because I have a fear of heights. Can you guys guess where we're going?
We're going up, up, up the Palm Springs aerial tramway.
Mm-hmm.
And it's gonna be fun. I don't know who's gonna be holding the camera.
I think I'll be okay. I'm just going to have to concentrate on looking out in the distance rather than looking down. So, fingers crossed I get through this okay, and
We'll be just fine.
I think
She's
we're
a
going to be
brave
fine.
gal.
Yeah.
Adventurous.
I'm not so bad climbing up on a roof, but long distances down is not a good thing. I get a little vertigo. But today I think we're going to have a great day. We're going to go up there and maybe have lunch at the cafe or whatever they have up there, and we're going to bring you guys along. So
Hang out at the lounge.
Hang out at the lounge. It's going to be a nice day up there. I think it's around 70. It's going to be around 78 degrees today.
No. I looked on their website, high of 63.
63. Wow.
But sunny.
Okay.
63 and sunny.
And I don't know what it's going to be down here. It's got to be in the hundreds.
Yeah.
At least.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a great day up there, though.
What are we waiting on?
All
Let's
right.
go.
Let's go. Welcome to Chasing Landscapes. We're Jack and Mary, and we're full-time RVers, traveling the country and exploring new places. I'm an artist, and we're always looking to capture our adventures on canvas. So come along with us as we go chasing some landscapes.
Okay, and away we go. Off to the wild blue yonders.
Are you excited? Nervous?
I'm excited. The last time I rode on this thing, I was probably 20 years old. And I didn't know anything about this place. And we were down in Palm Springs and said, hey, yeah, let's go do the aerial tramway. And so we did it. And it was winter time, so there was snow up on the mountains, and it didn't occur to me that even though it was 85 down below, it was going to be freezing cold up on San Jacinto. So I got up there and I bought every article of clothing I could possibly find because I was freezing. It was quite fun though.
But today it's supposed to be
It's 105 down where we're at, and it's going to be 63 up.
I think it's going to be a little bit warmer than that, but we'll see when we get there.
That's what their website is claiming.
Okay. So Jack admitted that he's not a big fan of heights either.
No.
And he relayed some insider information to me regarding when you go over the, what are they called?
Posts that hold the cables.
The cables up. When you go over it, you're gonna dip down and kind of swing back and forth a little bit. So that should be interesting. Hopefully I'm good with that. He said once you go over the first one, you kind of know what to expect. So it takes about 20 minutes to get over there. And for once, it's a pretty clear day. You can see the mountains. We've had these fires going on. It's been so hazy that you can't see them very well. So it's finally clearing up, and it looks like it's a beautiful day. And
we should have some great vistas.
Yeah. You're supposed to be able to hike all the way up from the base of the mountain over there, all the way up to the top.
Sam says he wants to do that.
Yeah.
He wants to climb up there and then ride the cable back.
Oh, neat.
And then possibly the next day he'll ride it up and walk back down.
So him and Lou and Kevin, I think, want to do it. I'm not sure I could go that. How far did he say it was?
I think it's like 6 or 7 miles.
There's no way. It's like straight up. I wouldn't be interested.
I hiked to the top of Mount Wilson one time from the bottom, and that was a 12-mile hike.
Wow.
And then I hiked back down 12 miles, and then I went to bed.
And then I went to bed for about 12 hours.
I was done.
Did you do that by yourself or with?
No, me and Andy.
I'm not the hiking type.
And we got about 4 miles up there, and this guy came and he was jogging past us. We cursed him. He just kept on going until he was out of sight.
We haven't done any hiking for a while, so we got to get out here and.
We do. It's been hot.
Yeah, the weather has been really hot, so.
Yeah.
But I would like to start going again once it cools off.
Right.
Here's some interesting facts about the aerial tramway. The 10-minute ride begins at 2,600 feet in the Sonoran Desert and rises to the mountaintop at 8,500 feet. The tramway can carry a maximum of 80 people. It is only 2.5 miles from the valley station to the mountain station, and it takes approximately 10 minutes to ride. In its inception in 1963, it had the help of helicopters to set out 4 of the 5 tower structures. The rotating floor was added in the year 2000. The tramway is the only source for getting food and water up to the top.
Hi, how are you?
Fantastic. How are you?
Parking lot is an Adam, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
That right there is the old car that went up there.
Yes.
And the new one actually revolves. Jack said when he went up here,
I was in the old.
he was in the old one. It's kind of narrow.
Yeah. Kind of funky.
It's like a lot of people up here already. All right, here we are. It's quite the hike from the end of that parking lot. Here comes the car. We made it.
Yay!
Okay, we're in the Pines Cafe. we were kind of hungry, so we wanted to get up here and get something to eat for lunch. So let's see what they have. All right, you guys, check this out. Wowzer. This is the restaurant where we're eating right now. There's the tramway right there. Oh. I just can't look down right here. I'm just gonna film and close my eyes. Oh my goodness. There's the tram station down below there.
Out there, that's Palm Springs in the Coachella Valley. And over there, that's Desert Hot Springs. And that's where we're staying.
Yeah, you
Up
can
against the mountains.
Yes. So you can see the 10 running right through there. And then that's up to, is that up to Yucca Valley?
Yeah.
It's a road going up to Yucca Valley.
Right. And there's Palm Springs Airport, International Airport.
And the Salton Sea is out there, but it's still hazy out here, so you can't really see it that well. But
And that is Cimarron Golf Course, and that's where we were golfing when they flew Gerald Ford for his last flight
yeah,
out.
pretty cool. So I just wanted to let you guys know, I am definitely feeling a little bit weird up here. I feel like lightheaded, not necessarily short of breath, but I just feel lightheaded.
There's a lot less oxygen.
Yeah, and so it's really weird. It's a strange feeling, but I just want to let you guys know what it feels like up here. I don't know if it's just me, but it's pretty crazy.
I feel
You feel the same way?
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's a lot less oxygen up here.
Yeah.
We're at 9,000 feet basically.
so here is the hiking trail.
And I could hike down there. The problem is I'd have to hike back.
Yep.
There's a bee right there. Mariah, what is that? Wait, that's deeper ahead here. Oh.
I gotta give it to these guys.
Is it worth the walk down? You have to come back up.
I got a stretcher to the last band and then walked there.
I gotta give it to these guys to walk all the way down there and then all the way back up.
I like walks that you climb up and then on the way back it's down.
Yeah,
'Cause,
that'd probably be the better bet for me too.
yeah.
It's good to stop.
Bet it does. That's a steep hike.
Ain't too bad. It's easier going down though.
That's what I said.
So, what all has changed since you've been up here the last time?
The last time I was up here was probably 40 years ago, so I probably don't really recall all that much. But one thing for sure, there was snow up here last time when I
Yeah.
came, and today it's just beautiful weather.
Yeah. It's nice and cool up here right now. There's a breeze once you get out in the front part of the restaurant there. There's a nice cool breeze outside, but it's It's pretty chill up here. It's a nice day.
And I'm very proud of my wife for getting on that tram and taking it all the way to the top.
Yeah.
And not crying like a little baby.
I had to close my eyes a couple of times. It was really beautiful climbing up and seeing the mountain walls really close by. You're passing up, and the ascent was pretty steep. It was pretty awesome. I don't like those stairs over there. There's some stairs that we climbed up to go back behind there, but you can see through the stairs. It's like an iron grate, and it's kind of unsettling. But the ride up here was good. Hopefully the ride back down will be even better. I know walking back to our car will be great because it's all downhill from there. Look at that.
68.
Ooh. Wow, what a ride that was. I'm so glad you guys could join us on our trip up the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. Once again, thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.
Rolling down the highway, trailer hitched behind, going places with my true love, looking for some warm sunshine. The desert skies and great defies, vast badlands and urban sprawl, ocean tide, you know it's quite a ride, following the traveler's call, the traveler's call. I wanna see it all. So many sights, no better life, following the traveler's call. History, the mesas, cactus and the vistas, warm sand and ice and snow. Whenever you're so free, you're bound to be hanging with coyotes and crows. We're driving all day through the great unknown. Your eyes shine expectantly. We'll soon be gone, you know we're moving on, following the traveler's call. The traveler's call. I wanna see it all. So many sights, no better life, we're following the traveler's call. History, the mesas, the cactus and the vistas, warm sand to ice and snow. Whenever you're free, you're bound to be hanging with coyotes and crows. We're driving all day through the great unknown. Your eyes shine expectantly. But we'll soon be gone, you know we're traveling on, following the traveler's call. The traveler's call. I wanna see it all. So many sights, no better life, we're following the traveler's call. Traveler's call. I wanna see it all. So many sights, no better life, following the traveler's call. So many sights, no better life, following the traveler's call.
Do you have a question, comment, or suggestion? Please let us know. We like talking to you. We'd sure appreciate you liking and subscribing to our channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell, and please share with your friends.